What are we filming, guys?
Just the building.
Just the building.
Okay, if you guys can refrain from recording this because we're a financial institution, I'd greatly appreciate it.
So,
Just our stuff because we're a financial institution.
Uh-huh.
So, recording what's going on in our... Is your camera on?
yeah.
Okay, so recording the stuff that's going on in here for us is a kind of a security thing.
Oh, I see.
Did the county give you guys access to record the building?
Well, from my understanding, as long as we're standing in public, we can record anything we can see, right?
Yeah, I would appreciate it if you guys would not film the financial institution, like as if somebody was, doing bad things or could do bad things to us, Did the county say that you could come in and film the building? No? Did you talk to them or no?
No, we actually give the county permission to operate in this building.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Here we go, San Joaquin Valley Transparency. I'm here with Nate Skates 182, aka San Joaquin CopWatch, with the San Joaquin Audits. I'm here at the County Administration Building. Just gonna go inside, make sure they know that we have a right to record. Oh, this one was good. Yeah. The DA's office right here. They checked out on me last time. Hello.
Excuse me. Are you filming?
You're excused, ma'am.
Are you film? Do you have permission to film?
Yeah, of course.
You do?
Of course.
So.
Who would I ask?
I'll get one for you.
That's weird. She was rude. Hello. She's tripping. Hello. Goodbye. Officer of the day. She's calling for an officer of the day. This is a video that I did a long time ago over there where the guy goes, "Did you get permission to record?" And I was like, "Yeah." He said, "From the man upstairs." And I was like, "Jesus?"
Oh yeah, I remember that video.
Hello. They're all rude in here.
Hi. I was told by my probation officer to come here and get a copy of the police report. Give me a second. This is what they, on the bottom one that says I had to come here. I'm not sure.
Did they allow dogs in here, but they don't allow cameras?
Okay. Okay. Down the street? Okay, thank you.
Is the officer of the day gonna come? Was the officer of the day gonna come?
No, would you like him to come? Did you need to speak to him?
No, I just heard you call him, so I just wanted to know.
Okay, did you need to speak to him?
No, I was just wondering if he educated
Okay,
you.
no.
Did he educate you when you called him?
Do you need help, sir?
Well, I was just wondering because you,
Okay.
you called a man.
You can have a seat if you like.
What? Can I have your name?
No.
No, huh? You don't work for the public? Do you not work for the public, ma'am?
Sir,
Do you not work for the
do
public?
you have a case or is there something I can help you with? And
I-
then I can get somebody for you.
If I could just have your name.
No. Not because now you're starting to make me uncomfortable.
Feelings. I see. She's uncomfortable, guys. Go walk around. I'll be back. Hello.
You know what's gonna be cool too? This is just me. I hope Jimmy G goes to Seattle.
Get it back, huh? Shit in my face.
Mm-hmm. have no idea. I don't think I've ever been downstairs. Remember? Jonathan? Who's Jonathan? I don't think he was here with us.
Yeah, he was.
Uh-oh.
That's fucking funny. I don't remember Phil being here. Yeah, that's crazy.
Cafeteria.
What? Chapel?
What are we filming, guys?
Just the building.
Just the building.
Okay, if you guys can refrain from recording this because we're a financial institution, I'd greatly appreciate it.
So,
Just our stuff because we're a financial institution.
Uh-huh.
So, recording what's going on in our, is your camera on?
yeah.
Okay, so recording the stuff that's going on in here for us is kind of a security thing.
Oh, I see.
Did the county give you guys access to record the building?
Well, from my understanding, as long as we're standing in public, we can record anything we can see, right?
Yeah, I would appreciate it if you guys would not film the financial institution, like as if somebody was, doing bad things to or could do bad things to us, Did the county say that you could come in and film the building? No? Did you talk to them or no?
No, we actually give the county permission to operate in this building.
Okay, cool. Like I said, I'm a financial institution, so I just want to be comfortable that, nobody's casing the place and all that jazz. I'm sure what you guys are doing is totally legit. I don't know that though, so I just want to be safe.
Yeah, actually, we do this for educational purpose because a lot of folks don't actually know that there is absolutely no expectation of privacy in public. So, I will walk away because we weren't going to record here anyways. But just so you know, you guys have to create the privacy
Gotcha.
if you
I
want
appreciate
privacy.
that. I appreciate you letting me know that. And
Absolutely.
Everything's all good. Like
Yeah.
I said, no harm, no foul. I'm sure what
Right,
you
right.
guys are doing is all legit. I just want to be safe over here
Yeah,
and,
Sweet.
do my thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, appreciate
All
you
right.
guys.
All right, thank you. Conference room.
It's just to get there.
Yeah.
The elevator?
Yep. They got a lot of floors here. Executive. Whoa. Yeah, what office is this one?
This is the office of the county executive on the 9th floor.
Oh, okay, I think I came to the wrong building, the wrong floor. This is the top level, right?
Yeah.
Is this the highest level? All right.
That's what we got.
Ten?
Yeah.
Fucking padded room, huh? Oh shit. So nobody can hear you or what?
Yes, sir.
Fucking torture room, huh? Board of Supervisors. Hello. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Which which room is this one?
This is the clerk of the board's office, board of supervisors.
Oh, okay, I think I must have came in the wrong room.
Which floor are you looking for?
The controller. Is that?
Second floor.
Oh, okay, cool. All right.
So we go down there.
Yeah. So this one is gonna be which one?
This
The
is
Board of
just-
Chambers? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Board of Supervisors. Whoa. They're coming in. Down to...
This is the 10 then.
Oh, they're the 10. Oh, my bad. Thank you. Nice. Yeah. So, Office of the County Council. County Council. County Council.
Where's the director?
Hello. Authorized personnel only, so we can't go that way.
Yeah, everything is locked up.
Oh shit.
Thank you.
Thank you.
पहले तो ऐसा होता था कि समर में वो खुला रहता था।
Where's the security that's usually in here? He's the one that told me to get permission from the man upstairs. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Because he usually stands inside there. And when I came back, he was standing right here. Alright guys, if you made it this far, stay tuned in because the next video we're going to drop is going to be a gem. You're absolutely going to appreciate and love the next video. I had to put it into 2 parts because it's really long. I really hate uploading long videos. They take forever. The security guard here starts talking crap about my shoes. Starts telling me I have to leave. He goes crying to another man. His feelings get hurt. He does the walk of shame. And he's also going to do something y'all ain't never heard before. It's called a feeling stroll. The guy's walking with a lot of feelings. That's called a feeling stroll. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the bell because you don't want to miss the next video. Thank you all for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to have some popcorn ready because you're going to love it.